So this is our 1996 Hymer B544 in summer holiday mode in France. We've got the silver screens on. They make a big difference, keep the van cool when it's really hot, and they add quite a lot of privacy too. So this is the left-hand drive 2.5 turbo diesel, and we'll just take you a quick whiz round. We've got the booties on to keep the tyres from perishing. Big locker. There's your main 240 volt. That's the Truma boiler exhaust. Another big locker down here. And the Thetford toilet cassette. On the back we've got room for 3 bikes with a 2-lay bike rack. Reversing camera, that doesn't work anymore, must get that changed. Ladder for access to the roof. This one's got a tow bar and handily a outdoor gas barbecue attachment as well. There's our travels. When we got it, it had been to Norway. We've had it for 20 years, but the original German owner had taken it up to somewhere quite close to the Arctic Circle, so it's well travelled. We've been all over in it, mainly France, but as you can see from Toro, it's also been to Spain with us. Here's the outlet for the fridge, the inlet and the outlet for the exhausts. Another 2-lay awning that we fitted. No, Fiamma awning, I think. 2-lay? 2-lay, yeah. We lost the original one in a big storm on this island. We've now got the anchor ropes as well, but we do not take any risks now when there are strong winds around on the island, which is quite often at night, so we always take the awning in. There's the LPG gas locker as well. And fresh water. I think it's got a 100-litre freshwater tank and about an 80-litre wastewater tank, which is down there. It's got the original steadies, and they're useful when you're on site, just for providing a bit more ballast. Good solid step. I've replaced the step motor, that went, but it is 26 years old, 27 years old, so it's pretty good. The original leaf springs are still in place, but we supplemented them with steadies as well, air rides. You can just about see those there. So let's take a look inside. One or two of the places we've been. Nice handy bin on the outside, that's an addition we put in. So this is as set up for on site. You know, we've been here for 2 weeks now, so we've got it in its cool mode really.
So here we have the back kitchen, which is really good. So you can keep everything in one area. So you've got a hob, it's got 3 burners, just about what you need really, which is great. That little thing comes out here, so it protects the side. That's really good. Then we've got the sink area, we've got the little sink, and then I use this as the drainer, the big sink, which is great.
And on the other side you've got a chopping board, haven't you?
Oh yeah, there you go, chopping board, which is really good. And here you just have your fridge, a 3-way fridge, and gas electrical battery, which is really good. Mozzie just going in there. And then lots of storage, knives and forks, and that for all your pots and pans. Really good. Then we come here, we've got the bathroom. Well, we say bathroom, it's a washroom really. You've got your sink, toilet, and you hit the tap up there, and that's your shower. And you've got a little shower curtain here which pulls around. Got Hollywood lights. Everyone needs those. And yeah, really good. Shower tray is really solid. Excellent. Wardrobe here, absolutely stashed in all of it. Yeah, you can get lots of stuff in there. So for a big trip, perfect.
And the boiler's in there?
Boiler's in there, yeah. Then you've got along here, just your side. I love this. It's like you can lie out on this, or it's a single bed, and this turns into a double bed, or you can have the whole thing as a king size bed. And then up here you've just got your drop down bed with a Dunlopillow mattress, which is really lovely, very comfy. It's like the original memory foam. And then you've just got all your lockers. There's so many lockers, it's just perfect. So yeah, big Hecky, which is great. It's got the fly screen on it. Really nice. It makes it very light in here, which you really do appreciate, especially in the UK where it's a bit dark, and you can close that at night to make you feel really, really secure. Very nice.
Here's the main control unit. So you've got the test for your fresh water and your wastewater. You've got two batteries, the leisure and the main. You test those as well. Both looking good at the moment. We're on 240 hookup at the moment. You can switch the outside light on via switching on to reserve here. We've got a big LED there, as you can see. Don't tend to use that too much. It lights the world. And then here you can see the power from your 240, so it normally registers in the green when you've got the surplus of power coming in, and then the 12 volt on off. We've also got a carbon monoxide and a smoke alarm in here. Big mirror, plenty of hooks for your bread bag and your hats, various other things. Another big locker here. Here's the control for the step. Electric step up and down, and a on off for the light as you come in. Massive food grocery storage.